Where is ICCT going next? And should you buy, sell, or maybe wait? So we're sitting at 650 right now. Today we've gone down 23%, and actually I've made quite a few videos before this one. But if you're new to the channel, let's talk about ICCT. Let's first of all look at volume and just see where the injections are happening into the market. Just the pure manipulation that we're undergoing right now. The highest volume was the 30th of August. It was 71 million, right? Never seen higher than that on Wednesday. Then today we're actually experiencing around 2 million. So those crazy, crazy big difference, like 68% difference, 68 million difference. And it's just kind of going down. Now, that was definitely expected. I mean, for me, ICCT to actually just do anything crazy, he's going to have to break above this weekly high and stay above there, right? Full candle close above that weekly high. Otherwise, I'm not looking for any kind of particular upside moves on ICCT. And keep in mind, this is just my opinion and perspective, me following my strategy. Therefore, I mean, on the short term, if the price starts to break above this high, is going to be the only time that what I'm going to be bullish. Okay, short term, right, above these highs. So let me know what is your opinion on ICCT, and if you want to learn my strategy for free, check out the first link in the description.